welcome back to my channel. You're watching Mama Meah and my name is Meah. If you're new here, I usually make videos about hair, makeup, and sometimes I'll throw in a vlog every here and there. But today, you know what you're here for. It's a twist tutorial. Again. I figured you guys were tired of twist tutorials because that's all I know how to do. But I posted a picture on Instagram and everybody wanted a tutorial, so here you go. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
The brand of hair that I used is Janet Tress. The 3x Fluffy Spring Twist 18-inch. I only used one pack. You're going to need scissors, a crochet needle, clips, rubber bands, a comb, a water bottle, gel, edge control. Just a heads up, this edge control was recommended to me, but I hated it. So in the video, I'm using my Black Panther edge control that I always use. Part your hair off. We're going to do the blocking technique. I've used this in most of my videos. It's the easiest for me to part, and it's actually like the most efficient. Once your hair is parted, add some edge control. You're going to comb through it a little just to make sure that it's nice, smooth, and slick. Don't forget to add oil to your rubber bands before you apply them. It prevents breakage. So you're going to just keep moving along, still blocking the parts. Add the edge control and make sure that it's nice and smooth. Comb through it, brush through it, whatever you got to do to make sure that it's slick and smooth. Alright, we're going to continue parting. Alright, so if you're unaware what the blocking technique is basically when you do large squares, but you're going to make sure that the squares isn't directly on top of each other. So they're basically going to be on the side. So no block is directly on top of the other block. and it makes your hair fall and cover the parts, and it looks a lot better when you do it this way. So don't put no squares on top of the square that's on the bottom. If you look closely, you can see what I mean. Like, none of my squares is directly on top of the square that's below it. Just keep parting in blocks till you've done your whole head, and we'll move on to the next step. I always leave baby hair out, so this is for the people that like baby hair. I comb it out and brush it in the direction that I want it before I do my parts in the front. It just seems a lot easier this way, so I make sure none of my baby hair get caught up in my parting squares, and I don't put too much hair in that I can't pull any out. And y'all know I got my handy dandy toothbrush. What other way is there to do baby hair if you're not using a toothbrush? Let me know, because I don't know. Take the crochet needle, apply one twist, pull the twist through the rubber band. Most people like to knot the hair that they pull through, but I don't like to do that because I try to avoid as much tension as possible. So I just leave it loose, and it always works that way for me, but you can also knot it if you want. Add a little water, add a little gel, split your natural hair into 2 pieces, mix it in with the twist hair, and then you just twist. As you're twisting, pull to make sure that the twist is tight. And make sure you keep gel on your fingers to keep it nice and juicy. So the twist that I wanted it as short as possible. So what I kept doing was making sure that I stopped twisting soon as I got to my natural hair. Well, I actually did a couple twists after I hit my natural hair. So that's what I'm showing you guys, is to keep an eye on your natural hair so you won't cut it. So make sure that the twist is longer than your natural hair, so when you cut it, you don't cut none of your natural hair. Now I'm going to apply the rubber band. I felt like you guys couldn't really get the gist of the twist with the black shirt and the black hair, so I just took my shirt off so you guys could see the twist a lot better. Then I cut off the excess hair. Right, so let's do it again. It's another piece of hair. You got the needle. Put the needle through your hair. Take one piece of the twist hair, pull it through, and this is me just showing you guys again that I am not knotting the crochet hair at all. Add a little water, add a little gel, and then you twist it. As you twist, make sure that you pull on the hair to make sure that it's a tight twist. Also, make sure you keep gel on your fingers We want a juicy twist, honey. If you have long hair and you want short twists like I do, just keep an eye on your hair so you won't cut your hair. And that's what I'm doing. I keep making sure that I can get this twist as short as possible without cutting my hair. Shake it a little to fluff it up, and then add the rubber band and cut the excess hair. Alright, so you guys get the gist of it. I'ma just let y'all see me do my thing. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment. And also, please don't forget to like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. It helps my channel out a lot. Although I absolutely loved my twists, they did look a little bland. So I added some embroidery string. I didn't film it, but I do have a video of me applying embroidery string. So if you guys would like to see that, I'll make sure I put it in the corner so you guys can just click it and skip to the end of the video and you guys can see how I apply embroidery string to my twist.